What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm just picking up and going. I decided to just make this video as an update. I've been spending the whole summer upstate, and I have been having fun just in nature and stuff, and I feel like I haven't shared any news with anyone lately, so I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of where I am. So I'm gonna take some scenery pictures and some video of it, and then you guys can see what I mean. Alright, so this is not a mod video, but rather just a hangout video, just to check on you guys and making sure you guys have something to say or comments about me. I'm not done, I'm just taking a pause. So let's go. It fell. Massive fail. I just wanted to share with you guys the location where I am. It is very pretty out here during the summer. It's up in the mountains, and it could be cold at night, but it's really hot during the day. And the best part about it is that when you drive in, there's a lot of curves that you take. There's a lot of it's a very windy road going up and down the mountain, which is great. So I'm trying to scout a spot for me to stop and take some pictures. But let me just show you what I mean. So as you can see it right now, you can see the mountains from the side of the road. The road is very windy, and it's awesome with a Subaru, so it feels great to drive it, or through it rather. So yep, just giving you guys an update. Check out the river. It's really beautiful out here. I really like it. So I'm just trying to share with you guys what my summers look like. That's why I haven't really uploaded many videos this summer, but I have a couple ones that I'm on the works. But it is really, really nice. So yeah, just showing you guys what's up. I really hope there's a spot where I can stop and show you guys the view, because it's really, really, really nice. Control that boost, baby. Let's go. People hiking right there. Like you can see, like the mountains. I'm going up the mountain now. You can see the mountain edge. I'm gonna go around that way through that actual driveway. Highway. And I'm going to see and show you guys the view from the back. That sounded not that good. You'll see the downhill view from the mountain, so let's check it out. And you can start seeing it here. You can see like the edge of the side, which is really awesome. And then you can see the hill up. And there's a lot of people that come here just to drive. They have windy roads, as you can see. Alright, you guys ready for this? Check it out. Like that is the you can see I'm going down the mountain. That's when it starts to be fun. But I don't want to speed. Summertimes you see a lot of deers around here. Like can be driving at any time during the day, but usually after it rains, you see like a lot of deers around here, which is awesome. Like nature is like at its finest over here. So we're trying to get to a location where I was told that apparently you can pull over and take pictures of the mountain. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let's see if it's even possible to accomplish. Nope, I was about to say that was a deer, but no, that was a dog. Wrong. Try to look for a little spot over here where I can pull over and take pictures of the mountain, but I don't know where I can do that, so just bear with me. Wow, that's a nice view. I wish you guys can see it, or I hope you guys can see it on my phone. I don't know if it's drifting snow. Let's see. It's a nice place here. I like it. Like a very farmy feeling. actually never driven around here, so it's the first time we're both just exploring right now. I've never seen this road before. I've always driven the other one. Oh, look, check it out. That's a nice view. We just came from on top that, like, you see that little tower? That's where we just came down from. I should pull over around here and just take a picture of it. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're back on the road. Let's see where we go. Let's see where this road head takes us. Alright guys, so this is what I wanted to show you. I took a couple pictures of the roads that I went. I might get the footage from the dash cam. I still don't know, since I don't have the cable nor I have a computer to get it. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please leave your comments if you have any questions about, I don't know, anything. Just I just wanted to keep you guys updated what I've been up to this whole summer, and just showing you guys that it's not like that I disappeared, anything happened to me. I'm still around. But yeah, so please leave a comment, message, share, contact me through social media if you have any questions regarding anything. I've had a couple people reach out about my mods and stuff. I may come up with a second video well, not a second video, but a video about how I take my videos and how I take the photography. Since you guys know, like sometimes I post the pictures that I take and things like that, so I might make a video about that. But you guys let me know what you think about it in the comment box down below. Don't forget to subscribe while you're at it, and yeah, so thank you very much for following. I appreciate that. I just went over the year mark of creating my YouTube videos, so I appreciate the support, the help, the messages, the likes, the dislikes. Of course, the dislikes is not that great, but you know, I appreciate the feedback, and I hope the content that I keep creating is good for you guys. So just let me know if you guys think this is good content, or if there's some type of content you guys would like to see. It doesn't matter what it is. If I am able to do it, I would gladly do it for you guys. So just excuse my looks. I look like a troll, but because of the pandemic and because of the living outdoors country style, I didn't really get a haircut or anything like that. But I promise that next video you'll see I'll have a better look in the face. So yeah, so stay tuned on to the next one. I have a couple surprises coming up. Since I upgraded my radio, now I'm gonna upgrade my speakers. I'm still debating if I should get a subwoofer, but let me know if what you guys think in the comments. Should I get a subwoofer? Should I not? But yeah, so stay tuned. I got a couple more mods coming down the line. So yep, to the next one. Take care.